whatever. No, it's not whatever, honestly, because I still don't understand. Let me zoom this in. Oh, that's it? Wow. That is toe up.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
It's MATIC Monday, okay? Welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video because today is episode 7 of MATIC Monday. You know what I'm saying? So I created this real like cute little look. I didn't notice, but it really does give me, you know, fiesta type of feels, you know, carnival type of vibes. You know what I'm saying? I really enjoyed creating it. So if you would like to see me create this look, just keep on watching. Okay, taking my MAC paint pot in Painterly, I'm going directly on my eyelid because this is our primer for today, as always. Honestly, I should have been done introducing this step a minute ago because at this point, y'all already know what it is. You know what I mean? We are going into our Off Tropic NYX palette today. For the first shade, let's see, I will be taking this shade right here. And I'm just going to kind of go in like stippling motions, you know, going all across my eye and just packing that on first before I blend. And then what I'm gonna do is lightly blend out the edges. Now you want to make sure you keep a really light grip on your brush. When you're blending, you want to be really gentle with it, really soft with the blending, just enough to blend out the edges and not, you know, remove product. And I just go back and forth, and I am taking that into my brow bone. Not my brow bone, but my nose. And you want to make sure you're not holding your brush too much like on the neck of it. You want to keep it down at the end, just so you can have a really light touch and you won't apply too much pressure. Next, I'm gonna go into this purple shade right here. Pick some of that up on my brush, and I am just going to go, ooh, no, that's not what I did. We're gonna X that out. Going into this hot pink, beautiful shade, I'm gonna pick some of that up, and I am going to ignore the purple for now. We'll get back to that. But I'm going to stipple that only in my inner crease. We're not going to take it past like the middle right here. I'm going to pack that on. And I'm also going above my crease as well. Not so much directly into it. And we're just going to, you know, use the same technique we did with the transition shade. Now we are going to take this purple right under that pink, and I'm going to stipple that onto the outer corner. Which honestly, these shades, they ended up looking the same, you know, exactly the same, but you know what you do to one side you got to do to the other. So that is the, you know, the whole reason behind this shade, honestly. And then just really using a light hand to go in and blend that out. Blend out those edges, you know. Taking that brush from the transition shade, going over the edges as well, just to, you know, make sure everything is staying blended and seamless, you know. Now what we're gonna do is take this green shade, just gonna pat that. I love this shade, it's so beautiful and pigmented, y'all. Just taking that, packing that onto the lid, and also taking it, you know, on the outer corner as well. You know, just gonna blend out the edges. We don't want to leave it looking like that. So you want to blend out the edges, make sure everything's good, you know. And then, you know, I just keep switching back to the brush I did for my transition shade, you know what I'm saying, and just blending out these edges, you know what I'm saying. Everything needs to be seamless. Like I say this, I think, every MATIC Monday, you know. Okay, so now what I'm doing is going back into my paint pot, and I'm just going to carve out my crease. And I brought it out a little bit, but it's not gonna be a full, complete, winged out cut crease. Now I'm just gonna fill that in, you know, and just see where that takes us, you know. My favorite part, honestly, I'm gonna go in with this like orange, like red shade. It's so beautiful. And I'm just gonna pack that onto my lid. This shade is just so freaking cute, y'all. Like, y'all don't even understand. I about wanted to just put it all over my lid, you know what I'm saying? And just have a little one tone, but that is not what MATIC Monday is about, you know what I'm saying? MATIC Monday is, you know, bringing the looks that you wouldn't just apply on a normal, typical day, unless, you know, you're, you know, that's just you and who you are, which ain't no thing, you know what I'm saying? I'm going in with this brush, just making sure I get close to the edges, you know what I'm saying? Have you ever had a Fuego? Is that what it's called? The soda brand? Oh my gosh, I just started craving a peach one. Like, just from talking about this eye look and looking at this shade. Like, this is literally the color of the peach Fuego sodas. Oh, and they so good. Full of flavor, but I don't drink soda like that no more because my skin mess up my skin bad. Ugh, the shade. I just wanted to do so much more with this shade. I don't know why, like more than I already have, like what, but it's so beautiful, right? Am I tripping, or you know what I'm saying? Like, am I tripping? And I'm just, you know, making sure these are well blended in together, you know what I'm saying? It looks this looks a mess now, but just look, okay? You know what I'm saying? Either way, y'all should trust the process. I don't know why this don't got a mirror, but I guess that ain't our business. So I'm gonna take my little NYX Glitter Gold eyeliner, and I'm just going to outline my cut crease. Okay, so like so, you know what I'm saying? That's the most tedious part there is to it, to be honest. Like after that, your worries are a few. I'm gonna do this wing liner though real quick. I'm using NYX Epic Ink Liner, okay? That is toe up. Like what? I'm gonna put on some Lash Paradise mascara and just get, you know, ready for false lash time. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm gonna do. Here we go. This mascara is so bomb, I swear. Going in with Dreamy. This is Dreamy from KCK Lashes. I'm gonna apply these off camera and I'll be right back. Okay. Just trying to make sure everything is symmetrical at this point, you know. Okay, so we're gonna move on to lips. You wanna know why? Because yes, unfortunately, I did do my lower lash line because yes, unfortunately, for once in a, you know, this is like the millionth time I thought I brush recorded and I didn't. But you know what? This is a one-man band for now. And when you a one-man band, okay, you mess up, you forget things, and it's okay, life goes on. Okay, so because life goes on, I'm going to move on to lips, and I'm going to line with Chestnut from MAC. Then I'm going to go in with my gloss from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade So Cute. But before that, with my dumb ass, I'm going to go in with my NYX Lingerie lip, and this is in the shade Dusk to Dawn. Alright, you guys, so yeah, that completes what, episode 7 of MATIC Monday. I really hope y'all love this look. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I absolutely love this look. Like it's giving me real like carnival vibes, honestly. Like I love it. I enjoyed this look. I enjoyed creating it, and I hope y'all enjoyed watching today's video. So please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see from me on my channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.